Hello, my lovely friends. This is Tuesday, and I'm bringing you a process video for the scrapbookingstore.com, and they have a fantastic kit club that has some really awesome price points. So if you want to get your hands on the August kit, that's what I'm using here. And there are lots of benefits to being part of the club, as far as Facebook groups, a design team, accessibility, and new videos for you every single week for projects that we use with our monthly kit. So this kit included the Good Day Sunshine from Echo Park and some American craft thickers that are from or that are called Celebrate. And there were some lovely cut aparts and some sticker sheets. There were also some elements like some teal glittery type of enamel dots. Well, they're actually brads, but I pulled them off the brad. And also some really nice buttons. So you're going to see me play with that and make a layout with Bab. Bab is the quintessential burger eater. He's a burger and pizza kind of guy. And I thought it was appropriate to show his little teeny tiny bird mouth with his great big burger, because he absolutely loves to be a foodie, and I thought it would be a good chance to document some of the things that we love to do in summer, which is sit out on a patio and have him eat what he enjoys, even though I don't approve that much of what he eats. But I want him to be happy, and he's still young enough that when it catches up to him, it'll catch up to him. And I talk till I'm blue, but it is what it is. So I fussy cut out some of these cut aparts that say "Summer is my jam," and the lemonade for 5 cents stand was from one of the cut aparts, and the life is a picnic. Also, that large popsicle, and kind of the rest was from the sticker sheet. The first time I did a layout for them, I kind of ignored the sticker sheet because I was so involved in fussy cutting these beautiful papers, but I did want to go back and use a bunch of the stickers, so I think I accomplished that very well here. And I added this button from the collection and put a little bit of twine in there. That's actually a cotton twine. And the stickers are very reminiscent of where we are. Like, we were at Rodeo Goat, where you can get all these gourmet burgers. And so the soda pop and the popsicles and the little jar with the pinwheels, very reminiscent of summer. And I thought it would be very appropriate to go with this picture and his little teeny tiny bird mouth with this great big burger. So I used the American craft thickers that came in the main kit, and I'm going to glue those down because I don't trust thickers or chipboard to stay. So here you're going to see me glue them down so they're nice and secure, so I don't have to go back and fix them later. But I just grabbed a piece of the close to my heart smooth white cardstock for the background, and I think the 3x4s and all of the embellishments just kind of pop off of the page with that white background. And I love how this layout turned out. It was very simple, it was very quick. The stickers were fantastic on this page. The I Love Summer and some of the other elements just tucked in nicely. And yeah, I really like how it turned out. So I used a bit of the scraps that I had cut from the papers to back some of the 3x4s and also the photo. And I am going through and figuring out what I'm going to do with the cluster in the upper left hand corner. I was kind of indecisive how I wanted to do that, but I go back to the cut aparts, or no, I go back to one of the papers and I fussy cut out some elements that are popsicles and ice cream cones and that sort of thing. And I think it just finishes off the page very, very well. And I may sound very tired to you. It is 1 o'clock in the morning. It seems like with the baby in the house and Bab being as loud as he is and just life in general, it's hard for me to edit early in the day because there's so much noise and so much commotion. We did a ton of things around the house today, and part of that was like sprinkler systems and a new mailbox, and I don't know, it was very hectic and noisy. So I thought, I'm going to stay up late, I'm going to make layouts and enjoy my weekend. And yeah, that's kind of why I sound tired, because I'm editing this so late in the evening. But the house is quiet, and that's good because the house is not normally quiet anymore. And I'm going to finish this up. I do pop up a couple of those elements with the little popsicles and ice cream. And I'm going to finish up with a little bit of sprinkles from Shimmer's No Yoking. I think that color just seems to go well with this collection. And so I really, really like it. I also fussy cut that lemonade stand. So some fussy cutting, some sticker usage, and some of the American Crafts stickers to spell out the title, which was Babin Burgers, because he is a burger and pizza kind of guy. I also used a little strip of this paper from the collection and notched out the top. I'm going to secure that with a little bit of glue. Oh, I did it on both sides. I forgot about that. Yeah, so I did it on the top and on the bottom. And it's been really cold in my house. Bab redirected some of the air vents, and even though it's on like 78 or 80 in the house, it's freezing. So I do have on long sleeves, even though I'm in Texas and it's about 100 degrees every single day lately. Yeah, so that kind of finishes it up. I'm going to have still pictures at the end. I hope you enjoy this, and if you would like to buy the kits from scrapbookingstore.com, please, please, please use my affiliate link and like and subscribe. There's a lot of fun things going on in their Facebook group, which is exclusive to club members, and I plan on doing probably 2 to 3 videos a month for this design team, plus a unboxing. So that kind of finishes it. I love how it turned out. I love that you joined me and watched this video, and I hope to see your layouts. If you'd like to share on my Facebook group at cheekystudio.com, I would love to see what you create from scrapbooking.com, or I'm sorry, scrapbookingstore.com. And yeah, let me know if there are any other types of videos you would like to see from me very soon. Ta-ta for now. Bye.